Morning friends, welcome to my channel Stock Market Study. I have created this channel in order to educate people on various aspects of investments in the stock market, how to select and how to identify quality stocks, how to do investment, at what level should you enter and what level should you exit. So this is a basic concept of creating this channel. So let's start. So as you can see on my screen, I have taken the website screener.in. It is one of the very popular website which you can also go and check into. This website basically gives you a detailed study of a stock that you're looking for. So as we proceed further, I'll be taking you to in depth of this website. So today I'm going to talk about one very popular stock which is in news right now, and many people are concerned at what level should I enter in this stock if they have missed it. So this company, I would say, has given a 10 times return since its launch. The company that I am talking about is Indian Railways. Yes, it's IRCTC. Yeah. So yeah, here is an overview of the company, that is Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation under the Ministry of Railways. So yeah, if you look at the market cap of the company, it is 52,720 crores. The current price is somewhere around 3,300. The 52-week high of the company was 3,425 and the low was 1,290. The stock PE is 196. Yes, you might be feeling that the PE of the company is quite high. Yes, because it has really given a very good return over the years. The ROC and the ROE, which is really good actually, I would say the ROC is 16.5%, which is good. If it is above 15%, you should consider yes, the company is good. ROE is again 11.6 to 12%, which is again good. The face value of the company is 10 rupees. So coming down, you can see the chart of the company. So I am looking at 1 year chart of the company. So below you can see the price NSE, the 50 DMA and the 200 DMA. So the 50 and 200 DMAs are nothing but it's the daily moving average. So if you see the blue line, is the price of the company. So right now I am selecting for your convenience the 50 DMA. So the yellow line indicates the 50 DMA. So if you carefully look at 2500 level, the company has given a phenomenal returns. It was trading somewhere around 2300 in the month of July, and from there in just 3 months it has gone to the level of 3300, which is really very very good uh, in terms of return, I would say. Then if you see at the 20 DMA, the gray line indicates the 20 DMA of the organization. So again, the current price of the company is much higher than the 200 DMA as well. So these things you should consider while investing. I'll tell you at a later stage. So coming down, you could see the pros and cons of the company. So the company is almost debt free. Yes, it's a government run company and it's debt free. It's a very good thing. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of around 60%, which is again very good. Yes, the cons of the company that we must take into consideration before investment is the stock is trading at 35.94 times of its book value, which is very very high, I would say. Then second thing is the company has delivered a poor sales growth of negative 11% over the past 5 years. But yes, as we can see, this minus 11% also includes the pandemic effect. When everything went into lockdown and there was no business for this company, especially during the lockdown. So that has really hampered the sales growth. So coming down, the peer comparison. So I would say that everyone of us know that railway, it's a monopoly business of the government of India. So there is no peers for this company. Coming to the bottom, here you are going to see the quarterly result as well as the annual result of the company. So let us start with the operating profit. So it was launched in March 2019. Let's take the case of March 2019. It had an operating profit of 71 CR, whereas again in March 2020 it went up to 189 CR. So that was No, very good jump, I would say. And then again, March 2021, it reduced to 145 CR. Yes, there was pandemic effect after March 2020. So yes, it has bit decreased, I would say. Then again, if we look at the net profit of the company, so it year on year it has given a very good profit growth. So as you can see right now, it is at 104 crores, which is a very good number, I would say. Coming bottom, I would say here you can also get various ratios. You can get total liabilities of the companies versus total assets of the company. So if you see, the total liabilities as on March 2021 is 3166 crores, and the total assets is again 3166 crores. So there is no liability of the company. It's almost debt free, as we have read above. So cash flows, so net cash flow of the company, I would say, is negative. It's a bit of concern, I would say, as of now, because yes, the company was very badly affected due to pandemic. So it has given a negative return. Coming bottom, you can see the various ratios if you want to. The shareholding pattern, now it's one of the very important factor that you should look upon. So as it is a government owned company, so in the month of June 2021, quarter of June 2021, the promoter holding stands as of 67.4%, whereas FIIs hold 8.07% and DIIs hold 11.29%. The public has invested around 13.25% in this company. Below, if you go below, you can also get the annual reports of the company. You can download it and read it for your convenience. So now, one very important thing that you all might be wondering: where should I invest in this company? At what level should I enter if I have missed this company? And prior to that, one question arises: whether should I invest in IRCTC or should I go for any other stock? So looking at the ratios, looking at the financials, understanding the business of the company, I would personally suggest, as a disclosure also, that one should invest in this company. But yes, the final decision is absolutely going to be yours. It's not a recommendation. You can consult your financial advisors before making any investment in the market. So personally, I would say that I'm going to divide my investment in IRCTC into 5 parts, 20 in the ratio of 2020. So right now it is at 3300 level, which I feel is very very high. I will be investing once the stocks trade somewhere around 3040 to 3070 levels. I'll be putting in my 20% of the investment for this stock. Okay, so suppose if you have a vision of investing 1 lakh rupees in IRCTC, so if I have a vision of investing 1 lakh rupees in IRCTC, I'll be investing around 20,000 rupees when it comes to the level 3040 to 3070. Again, if the stocks further falls around 10% or say 12%, then again I'll be investing another 20%. So likewise I'll be doing. One very important news I would like to tell you people, that the company has declared a split of in the ratio of 1:5. So once the record date is announced, so there will be certain fluctuations that you are going to see in the price range of this company. Another news that came on 9th March, whether you might be aware also, that the SEBI has banned it from the F&O list for some time. So let's see. I am hoping for a correction over here. So if it falls, we will make the investment. I hope you like the video. So if you really enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe my channel, and do comment which stocks do you really want to have a detailed analysis, and if you want any guidance, I'll be always there to help you out. Thank you. Bye bye.